Hisense has always focused on the quality of every single detail, including noise detection, 100,000 times door opening and closing experiments, and testing for 4 consecutive days under extreme high temperatures and 5 days under low temperatures. Hisense ensures reliability. For every finished refrigerator product that you see, tools had to be designed. Process had to be created. 8 laboratory systems were used with trend-setting ideas and innovative technologies for every specific facet of the products. It's time to experience the fascination. Get your drinks icy cold within a minute. It's perfect for the whole season.
It's really great. The refrigerator has enough capacity for a whole family, and we love the My Fresh Choice feature.
Cette poignée de gâteau avance de la texture et du lait.